Hi, my name is Angie Gray, and I'm the Social Media Marketing Manager for Boohee Bags. The social media campaign that we just did was based on a few goals. Boohee's goals for increasing the marketing focus to social media is to grow awareness for the Boohee brand. Second, to increase engagement with our followers. This in turn leads to the third, increasing sales. The masses are on social media, and we need to go where the people are if we want to outperform our peers. Through our social media campaign, we were able to increase our awareness for our brand by 20%. This in turn will increase our sales by 10% in hopes that we can outperform our competitors by increasing our market share by 0.05%. Our plan was to increase our postings and engagement level on mainly 4 social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. On these platforms, we use paid posts, organic posts, and we partnered with a lot of influencers. In order to achieve these goals, we took a bold approach on all social media channels. These are some examples of our posts. We posted on Facebook once a day. These were mainly paid posts because we could advertise to our target audience. These posts were we tried to make relatable to our target audience. We showed people using the bags on adventures, going back to school, and traveling. We also offered deals and engagement posts to help our audience interact with us. On Instagram, we posted once a day. These were also paid posts to our target or main demographics. We shared pictures and videos of people using our bags in everyday life situations. We wanted people to see that they need Boohee bags in every adventure in life. We created blog posts for traveling, backpacking, and going back to school. We also shared these on Pinterest. We posted 11 times a day on Pinterest. These were mainly organic posts. We posted pictures, videos, and links to blog posts. Mostly these were organic posts, and they were mostly things that we had posted on Facebook and Instagram. On YouTube is where we spent a lot of our budget because we wanted to create quality videos to post and share about traveling and adventure and going back to school. We posted the videos a few times a week. These posts were also paid posts. We also partnered with many influencers to help build our brand. These campaigns were the most successful. We partnered with some mega influencers, and they helped us increase our engagement tremendously. The thing that worked the most were partnering with influencers. They were able to gain the most impressions. We were able to partner with big names like Chris Ronald, Kathy Berry, and Alex Gomez. These campaigns were very successful. These people were great to work with. If we were able to increase our social media marketing budget, we'd like to put it towards working with more influencers. We saw the most growth with affiliate posts from influencers. Frequent posting also increased our impressions. The weeks that we posted multiple times on all channels, we saw a lot more growth than the weeks that we were more inconsistent. We did have one crisis. Taylor Swift found a note in her bag that was written in Chinese. It was translated, and it said that one of our employees was not being treated fairly. These allegations were completely false. We reached out to Taylor Swift to try to get to the bottom of it, but we also immediately hit our social media channels to let people know that this was not the case and that we were doing everything in our power to get to the bottom of it and make sure that if there is someone that feel like they're being treated unfairly, that we're taking care of it. We had the CEO create a video in our factory showing where the Boohee bags are made and who is making them. We also posted all these videos on all of our social media channels. He also made a statement that we posted showing that Boohee has about our employment practices. And then we also feel that this deflated the crisis. We feel that using social media channels, we were able to get the word out a lot faster, show people that we really care about the people that work for us, and that I think that people felt like we were more on a personal level to them. We were able to see tremendous growth with our social media marketing plan. Our impressions were 25,706,584. This shows how many people followed us, viewed our posts, and mentioned our brand. Our engagements were 1,166,466. This indicates how many comments, reactions, shares, and clicks were received. Our revenue was $309,632. This was from conversions, from people purchasing, like clicking through and going to our channel, or our website, sorry. We were allotted a $5,000 a week budget to create content and market it. We feel that we accomplished great things with such a small budget. If we were to have been allotted more, we would have made more video content. One video alone costed over $1,000, and we would have liked to make more quality videos to post. We also would have used our budget to partner with more influencers. To use a big name influencer, it took our whole budget just for one post. We did receive a lot of engagement from these posts, so we feel that the money was spent wisely, but we would have liked to have had a little bit more so we could partner with some more. One question was asked, what the difference between Snapchat and Instagram is. Snapchat is a temporary picture-based social media app. They have 265 million daily users worldwide. Many people use the app to connect with others, sending pictures back and forth. But there's also a discovery feature on Instagram where people can scroll through and see snaps from other users. There's also the ads that pop up in between the snaps, and people are not able to go to the next snap unless they watch the entire video. Instagram is also a picture sharing app, but people have their own page, and the company has their own page where they can post pictures, and there's a news feed where you can have ads that come up. Instagram also has 1.3 billion users. The question was asked, do you think LinkedIn would be a viable marketing platform? Why or why not? LinkedIn, I feel, is more geared to business transactions. People on LinkedIn are professionals who could be looking for a stylish briefcase, but that's not one of our most prominent demographics. I do think that if we should have an organic presence on LinkedIn, but I don't feel like it would be profitable to use a lot of our marketing dollars on that. Another question was asked, if Facebook and Instagram were our main platforms, what would you do to introduce Pinterest into the marketing strategy? A lot of people shop on Pinterest, so I think it would be a great platform for Boohee to explore. If we were on Pinterest, we would post at least 11 times a day. It would be posts about traveling tips. We'd have blog posts. We'd also share pictures and videos and adventure ideas. We would share probably a lot of the same content that we share on Facebook and on Instagram as well. The question was asked if you had to recommend Instagram, Pinterest, or Twitter to sink $25,000 of your marketing dollars into, which would you pick? And what would the ROI be? I would pick Instagram. From the simulation, our ROI was significant, 3,615% over a 12-month period. If I had to recommend a platform, it would definitely be Instagram. All of the platforms that were used in the simulation, Instagram is where the revenue was made. 130 million Instagram users tap on shopping posts every month. Instagram also has a feature where you can target ads to a specific demographic like age, gender, and interests. If we were able to spend more, we could use the targeted ads and also make better quality content to post. If the question was asked, if you had to invest $25,000 into marketing on any one of the platforms, which one would you pick and why? I would pick Instagram. Because we could use it to partner with more influencers. We could also use it for paid ads and to create videos and reels to make our marketing really stand out. I've really enjoyed being the social media marketing manager, and I can't wait to see where our efforts take us next. Thank you.